ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Many times we get stuck when we ask questions. Will he come? Will she come? Is she going to come? Will the bus will come now? I don't know. But how to ask these questions? Isn't it? All these questions are very important and we require to ask someone saying that if he is going to come, the third person. And I ask this question to you as a second person, isn't it? And I'll be the first person. And for this, how to ask? These four words what we have. One is Bartale, the 07, telling something about other female. And Bartane, the NE comes in the ending. This is something about other male who is younger than me, or maybe our family people and the close relatives. And Bartare, which is with respect I use about someone when I tell something about someone. Whereas the third person is elder than me, or maybe I would like to apply the respect one. And this birthday, where it will come, talking about things. Only these four words if you can learn now. So if you know what is these four words, easily within 2-3 minutes you know the questions actually, how to ask the questions. Assume if you have to ask me, if my brother is going to come today, how you are going to ask? But I can tell if my brother is going to come. Nanna tamma bartane. Bartane is the 08 which says my brother is going to come or my brother will come. Okay. And my brother he do come also we can actually says, and he comes, the word number 4. For that also we actually use. But how to make it question? If you have to use that as a question, what is that you need to do? Fine, there is some formula called AA formula. Oh, what is this AA formula? How we can apply it? Very easier. Just apply the AA in the ending, remove the last letter. Very easy. Then you are going to ask question about third person. Very easy. How? Assume I have to ask something about your younger sister or your daughter. Okay. So I would like to know, if today your daughter will come by bus. Question. How should I ask? For that what I have to do? The capital L and then E, whatever I have, remove the E and apply AA and put the question mark. Now it became question mark. So that will become the question as we are asking to second person about the third person. Now I need to ask the question saying that Nimma Magalu busnalli bartala is the question. Will she come? Okay. Nimma Magalu busnalli bartala. That is, if we apply will, but you can even apply does she come. Okay. For that also we can use the same thing. Does she come by bus? For also say, for even the simple present also it is same case. Nimma Magalu busnalli bartala, or Nimma Magalu pratidina busnalli bartala, or Nimma Magalu school busnalli bartala. Very easy, isn't it? Tomorrow you have the festival. Assume you have some festival tomorrow and your sister need to come today. You are expecting your sister and I am asking you the question. How? Nimma tangi bartara? That is with respect. See, I used the 09. Come to 07. 07, if you have to ask something about the younger female, whereas if at all you can apply the law, where you can apply capital LA if she is related to you, the third person. Okay. Whereas she is younger than you, then you can apply Nimma Magalu. So when I ask about your daughter, I may say Barthala. But when I ask about your sister, younger sister, maybe I need to avoid using capital L and A. Better actually I use the R and A. Isn't it? RAA. So now come to the N and then E. How to make question? Okay. N and E. Remove the E. Put the AA. It will become Bartana. Bartana, will he come? Does he come? Question. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನಾ? That means, is that your brother is going to come by train? Question. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾನಾ? That means ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ, for the festival. Okay, so is that your brother is going to come for the festival? Question. Okay, and ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನಾ? So will your son come by walk? Question. ಬರ್ತಾನಾ? You can apply for does he come and also will he come. For both the things you can actually apply. Assume you need to ask me a question saying that if my son is going to come by train, how you need to ask? Think about the question in the mind and then do let me know what is that actually you are thinking. Let me see what I am going to say. What you are thinking is correct. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನಾ is the question. Agree? That's about ಬರ್ತಾನಾ. Come to the 09. What is 09? I can use as a statement about my mother, about my younger sister, or elder sister, or whoever it is, but that is going with respect. Okay, about third person. So I can tell ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. My children every day they come by school bus. That is statement. But if you have to ask me whether my children they are going to come by school bus, how you are going to ask me? Then what you need to do? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? That's it. The E, whatever you have, remove the E, apply double A, put the question mark. Same case for the NE, remove the E, put the double A, question mark. Same thing here, remove the E, put double A, question mark. Isn't it? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, that means your children. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, our children. That's all the difference. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? So do your children come by school bus or will they come by school bus? Question. But if at all, if you have to ask me about my mother, if my mother is going to come today, how you need to make question? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? Or ಇವತ್ತು ಊರಿನಿಂದ, from the village, ಊರಿನಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? Assume if my father is going to come by today night by flight or however it is, then you need to make it ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? Question. Okay, so that is the question. ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? We can even say ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿನೂ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? Very very important question. Along with you, I would like to know if your mother is also coming. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ or ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ for younger one, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ with respect. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? See how we can actually use it. I am asking you, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ or ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆನೂ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? नो is B. In Hindi, whatever that B हमने use करते हैं, that is the no. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆನೂ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ is nothing but ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ. We can actually make it. That is the 09. Come to 10. Now 10, what will happen? You know the concept, isn't it? What? ಬರುತ್ತೆ, it will come. ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Don't say ಬರುತ್ತೆ or ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No. ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You just make it small, silent in the U. You will get it. ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That's it. Don't say ಬರುತ್ತೆ or ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is just ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A simple That's it. ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It comes or it will come. How to make question? Someone standing in the railway station. I went, sir, will the train come now? I am very desperately waiting for the train. How to ask? Train ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Will the train come now? Okay, train ಇವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Will the train will come now? Question. Train ಬೇಗ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Will the train come quickly? I don't know. I don't know whether he is going to come within 1 minute or 5 minutes. But I am also waiting for the train. He is going to tell me. Okay, ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Will it come? Okay, question. Ask question about rain. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Well, the rain is going to happen today. Well, the rain will come today. You can actually ask. Okay. Power has gone. Electricity has gone. And my son is asking me, saying that, Appa, current ಬೇಗ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Will the power will come quickly? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೇ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂದ, ಕೇಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಕಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್. Okay, so that means this baruta whatever we have, not only for the things, not only for the animals, we can apply for all the other stuff. Okay, current baruta, motor bill baruta, and courier baruta. See, huh? And okay, which one? Post baruta, everything. Will the post will come? You can actually apply everywhere. So is this video is useful to you? Isn't it? Huh? I hope it is useful. If it is useful, please give the comments. Okay, your comments are very useful to me. I'm reading the comments, though I don't have much time actually to give responses, but still I am actually reading the comments. Okay, so it's very valuable. Huh? It is very important. And if our lessons are helping you, please subscribe our channel if still you have not subscribed, and forward it to all your friends. Let them also learn Kannada. If you wanted to note down my number, please note down 93418 95618. 93418 95618. We also do conduct online classes for spoken Kannada. If you are interested, please do let me know. The 2nd of December, the new batch is going to start. If you are really interested, you can join. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.